Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan egg yolk. To begin, you'll need about 150 grams of firm tofu, which forms our essential base. Add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast for a cheesy, umami depth and a lovely yellow tint. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of your favorite plant-based milk to ensure a smooth, creamy texture. Finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder will give us that signature vibrant yellow color. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a fantastic vegan yolk. Now, let's perfect the color and texture. Combine all your ingredients in a blender and process until the mixture is incredibly smooth and free of any lumps. For an even more authentic, slightly firmer yolk, you might consider adding a 1/4 teaspoon of agar-agar powder to the blend. Next, transfer the mixture to a small saucepan and gently heat it over medium-low heat, stirring continuously for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice it thickening beautifully, just like a traditional egg yolk. The secret to an authentic eggy flavor lies in black salt, also known as kala namak. Add about 1/2 teaspoon to your mixture for that distinct sulfurous taste. For an extra layer of savory depth, a tiny pinch of mustard powder works wonders. Feel free to adjust the black salt to your liking, making the eggy flavor as subtle or pronounced as you prefer. This versatility allows you to create yolks perfect for various dishes, whether you need a runny or a firmer consistency. This delicious vegan egg yolk is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for drizzling over avocado toast, adding richness to salads, or enhancing your favorite vegan breakfast bowls. You can also use it as a luxurious sauce for steamed asparagus or other vegetables. To store any leftovers, simply place them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days. When ready to enjoy again, gently reheat on the stovetop or in the microwave, perhaps with a splash of plant milk to restore its perfect consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.